Hey cousins, so my baby decided that he wanted to get a low cut and then also that he wanted waves. So this was the best opportunity to show you guys how my protective primer works and its many uses and functions. It is not just for females, but it is unisex. And also if you have short cut, you can use this as well. So as you guys can see, I had kind of went over with a little bit within my palm, but I wanted it to be a little bit more deeper and more defined. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm adding a little bit more thicker globs in there and working it in. You have to work the product in for you to see the results. And as you guys can see, I matted it all in with my hands, and then I'm going to go in with the medium brush that his barber suggested that I use for his waves and his hair. And yeah, you guys will see the results coming through. I also wanted to show that my products are kid friendly and safe to use for everyone.